Avengers assembled and welcome to Eduverse, the next gen LMS system with AI features for teachers as well as students. So, what is the problem statement? It was about how we can revolutionize the current edtech industry. It was an edtech related problem statement with functionalities, with AI related features, mentioning AR, VR, and related stuff. So, let's start with our portal. So, what we offer currently, we have a teacher's login as well as a student's login. We might remember Google Classroom, how it has a teacher section and it has a student section. The teacher would be able to upload documents, videos, and every types of notes that they want. So this is the dashboard of the place. Like we can basically view almost everything, like the courses that we have, the test schedules, like almost everything works over here. Like also the upcoming events as well. Seeing of the courses, like we can basically update, delete, and manage all those courses. Introduction to mathematics. It basically has all the videos and all the things. All of this can be edited by the teacher as well. Like we can also create courses, like course introduction AAA1, description DESC, and it gets saved as well. Also inside that courses as well, we can also add content inside those courses. Like let's suppose I want to add a video, like video, choose files, a normal video whichever you want, and basically we can add those materials as well. So all those materials work over here. These courses are visible from the student point of view as well. All these courses are uploaded by the teachers and accessed by the students. Next, I will be going to the magic learn part. So the problem statement particularly had a part calling AR and VR. So what all innovative things in the current edtech industry we can do using AR and VR? Like when we think about it, let's take, you must have seen the Iron Man movies, how everything moves with gestures. Like Tony Stark basically moves around with his hands, and all the things around him understand those gestures and do those works. So let's start with our portal, like launch Magic Learn. So basically, Magic Learn is launching. So uh, wait. Yes, it works. So let's start with the Magic Learn part. So let's try a very simple thing currently. Um, let's go with 5 plus 2. Now, the speciality of our feature is that it not only draws those things, it even analyzes this thing. Like equation 5.2, solution 7. This is a simple addition problem. And not just these parts. Like basically we can solve complex mathematical equations as well. As you can see in this PPT, what we have from the starting, like as you can see in this image, it is a quite complex word problem type issue. Like we have a tree, we have a triangle, we need to find a value of x. So what our model will basically do, it will analyze everything over here and it would give us the correct solution, which is 4. Like as you can see over here, we can also find out the value which is actually 4. And this is our team Avengers assembled. Like it is able to analyze handwritings as well, from simple fonts to cursive handwriting. Everything can be accessed and accessed by thing. Now moving on to some complex type of mathematical problems. Like let's take for example 5 bracket 1 into 2, and below it we have 10 square. Now in most of the models, the 10 square is not properly recognized. It would either read it as 102 or just completely ignore the square. But what we are currently achieving is that we are able to understand the 10 square and get a correct answer for it. Similarly, complex 3-degree mathematical equations can also be solved. And not just mathematical equation. As we say, draw in air, you can basically draw each and everything that your imagination structs through. So this is the draw in air part of our image. Now, we just not only have draw in air, we basically have an image reader as well. Let's suppose someone wants draw in air feature that we learn. We also have an image recognition picture. Like the students would be able to click photos and upload those images and understand each and everything. Let's take for example this thing. Like I can basically drag and drop images. Like take it over here, drop it over here. Like basically it will analyze that entire image. What's this about? So as you can see, the image is not quite sharp. It is quite blurry, but we are able to analyze that as well. Concepts, prologue, programming logic, artificial intelligence, natural language processing, almost each and everything is accessed and understood by the people. So this is the part of Magic Learn. Now, additional to Magic Learn, we also have a test portal. Now, the test portal is the major admin of the test portal is the teachers. You go to teachers login, you can go to test, you can basically create a new test. All these are created by us only. Now, for the working, I'll show you AI fundamentals. So each and every test, each and every questions are given by the teacher itself. Like basically we can add questions as well. The entire functionality works and it is connected to a database as well. So basically when you go to the test portal, we can basically see all the people who have attempted the test as well. This is available to the teacher. Like we have the 3 students who have attended the test. Now additional to that, when you go from the student's point of view, student login,
Student login to see the student perspective while they appear for the test. This is the dashboard. They go to the test portal. They will start their test, which is been created by the teacher. So here we have tried to implement a type of sentimental analysis where whenever if you are not able to solve a question, you can just put your thumbs down and the screen will detect it and show you the hint for that question. This will help you to easily get the hint there and there itself, and this is more interactive and intuitive to use. So we will start, we will write the credentials. So now a question has been appeared, and let's see if we can solve it or not. So here we are not able to solve, so we will put a thumbs down. And as you can see, a hint is trigger. So here you don't have to go and switch the tab to see the answers for the question you don't know. You can just put your thumbs down and you will easily get the hint or solution to it. You can also manually choose the option which is right or wrong, and you can, this way you can easily and in a fun way you can give test.
As you can see, the model basically understands our sentiment, whether we are able to solve that question or not. And directly it switches to the hint tab. Like whenever it understands that we are not being able to solve it, we require a hint, it automatically detects it and switches on the hint part.
Our motto is learning should be fun. Now you can see, you can also see the summary of the test you have given. How many are correct, how many are wrong, then who is on the leaderboard.
We can basically see all the test givers over here, like all the people who have given the test as well.
And here you can see the whole summary of the question and the answers.
Basically, we can see that both of the question we have given a correct answer. So now going to the teachers part. Now we are logged in with a credential called AA1 and AA1.gmail. So when the teacher opens up the portal, the teacher can go to the portal and check for the attempts one. The teacher already has the questions with them. They can go to the attempts part and they will see that the student AA1 has given the test. Like basically, the teacher can also see whether all the questions are correct or not. Like let's see this person. Like he gave one answer incorrect. So the selected answer as well as the correct answer is shown to the teacher.
We have also implemented chat area where students and teacher can have a seamless communication. Let's have a demo. Hello sir, I have a doubt. Now this will be visible at teachers portal as well. We are using WebSocket for this functionality. Now even the teacher can talk with the student. As you can see, I'm getting the sir message over here. So student can ask their doubt there and there itself on the platform. We have also implemented light mode for better user friendliness. This is the calendar feature where you can see all your schedules at one place.
That our problem statement includes implementing and using AI technologies. So one of the AI technologies that we are using is text to video generator. Like nowadays, what happens that people normally students, what they do is they pick up material from any social media platform for learning, for their learning. So they just skip it and don't learn it because that is a kind of theory. So what this thing will help in terms of education perspective is that it will generate a video of your text. You, what you have to do is just upload your text and your video will be generated in few minutes. It is generating the video. Let me explain you the pipeline of this process. Here, we are not using any kind of external APIs for the generation of the video. The first step in this process is generating the transcript of this video. Then we are searching for images that are suitable for this video. And then we are from the Python's module, Python's library, we are converting the transcript into audio and merging it with the different images that are being searched for a single sentence and then merging it into a video. So this is how the video is generated here. As you can see that it has generated me a video for the text that I have added. So this is it from us. These are all the features that we have added into our LMS portal. We are Team Avengers and our motto is learning should be fun.